The world of audio is so vast. There's so many different options of, getting audio or what kind of audio you're looking for, whether it's just, sounds outside, someone's voice, male or female, all makes a difference. And then, of course, comes in price. Today I'll be comparing two different lavalier mics. One is the Rode lavalier, which runs about $100, and then another microphone, which is just a cheap basic Amazon one where you can get two for like $20. We're going to compare the two different sounds indoors as well as outdoors and see really if it's worth spending the extra money for the lav.
So currently we are indoors in my kitchen, well, kitchen table anyway. And here I want you to see if you notice a difference between the two mics. We will be switching back and forth between mic 1 and mic 2, and I want you to try to guess to see which mic is which. The Rode more expensive one or the Amazon cheap basic one. Hopefully there is a difference between the two, but I guess we'll find out in the end. So currently I am outdoors, and there is a little bit of wind. As you can see, my hair is kind of moving in my face. And there are the birds chirping right now. So, the sound could change a bit when we're outdoors, but it really shouldn't change that much, considering it is a lavalier. But again, here, we'll switch back and forth between 1 and 2 and see if you can tell a difference between the two. I'm going to kind of move around and further away from my house to see if there is a difference between the wind or with birds perhaps, because I can hear them louder as I walked out into the yard. Any difference? No, I'm hoping that there isn't a difference, especially since both lavaliers do have a wind muff on them, and that would kind of help with this problem.
I just took some time comparing both the cheaper lavalier and the Rode lavalier, and what I found was the Rode lavalier sounds a bit more fuller and kind of picks up the highs and lows of my tone of voice, where the cheaper one has a little bit of static, two, I sound very monotone through it, and overall I think that the Rode is worth the money, and I just think that if you're willing to put a little bit of money up front in the beginning, that it will come a long way through in the end and allow your viewer or your client or whoever be happy with what they're hearing. Also, by the way, I wanted to mention the links to the lavaliers and all the gear I kind of use will be in the description, as well as the microphone I'm currently using, which is a Rode shotgun mic, which is only maybe 10-12 inches away from me right now, and it's just out of frame, I'm touching it here and then right out, so it's kind of perfect. But I'll have links to everything in the description. If you have any questions about any of the information or anything I talked about in this video, also please let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.